Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to change the background on Google Meet web application. So the first thing to do is to access your Google Meet account, and to do so, if you are going to go to your Google Chrome browser and search for these Google apps because you are going to find it here in the browser, or you can click here on your profile and search for manage your Google account. You click on the manage Google account and you will find this Google Apps icon. You search for Meet and then it will take you to the Google Meet application. Otherwise, if you are using a different web browser, you can just search for Google Meet in the browser and then it will take you to the link of it, and of course then you will be able to connect to your Google Meet account by entering your Google informations or your Google username, etc. And all it remains to do now is to follow these simple steps. So now I'm going to start a new meeting so I can show you how to do so. So I'm going to start an instant meeting, as you can see, and basically I need to go to the camera settings, and here I will just take got this, and as you can see here you will find activities, etc. And of course the only thing that I want is to have more actions, and here we will find apply visual effects. You click on the visual effects, and as you can see you will find the backgrounds that you can add to your Google Meet call. And basically now normally let's just turn on the camera, and because those are videos or backgrounds, so let's have it like that. So you are going just to choose any background that you want and then close, and it will be applied to your camera. So let's go back to turn on camera. And as you can see, the effects are applied to our camera, and basically you can add any other background that you want. So as you can see, this is another background of our camera, and you will find yourself, or you will have your camera will have a good background or a good appearance. So basically this is how you can add background to your Google Meet camera. Thank you for watching and see you next time.